Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So, do you want to get notified when new items matches your search? Facebook Marketplace lets you save a search so you don't miss fresh listings. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to save a search on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what saving a search means. So saving a search allows you to get notified when new listing match, monitor specific brands or models, avoid checking marketplace repeatedly, react faster than other buyers. So alerts usually trigger when new matching items are posted. So first thing first, open your Facebook application, tap the marketplace icon here in the button. On desktop, click marketplace from the left sidebar. So now tap the search bar, okay, here. Enter the keyword, for example, iPhone, 15 Pro Max. Apply filters, price, location, conditions, okay, so you do them. For example, let's apply 1 kilometer. Filters, so set filters before saving for accurate alerts. So tap save search. So after result load, tap save or save search, usually near the top. Okay, you have here filters and you have save, so tap this one, okay, and tap save. So notifications are now enabled. You will receive alerts for new matches. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.